Your name?
It's Boruto.
Is Naruto here?
I think he's still at the Hokage's office.
He's the one who was Dad's rival. Sasuke Uchiha.
You said stupid old man. Let me guess, you meant Naruto?
I messed up again. Oh, well, guess I messed up Himawari's birthday just now.
A gift from Kaguya's palace.
I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
I can't even read it with my Rinnegan. Kaguya Otsutsuki. However, she wasn't acting merely out of a longing for power.
I am King Shiki Otsutsuki. On guard! The Rinnegan.
You mean you don't know? Kaguya's not here anymore.
This is a real crisis. Is this gonna be the start of another war?
We can't allow another war like that to happen ever again. Why do you have that?
I found it on the way here. And I also met your kid. He seems just like you back when you were young.
I guess you and I are just behind the times, huh?
The soul of a shinobi never changes, even if the times do.
Sasuke? And if you try to interfere with that, I'm not gonna hold back! I never saw him coming. Forget that, let's do this! Amazing! I guess the rumors were true after all. Could you please make me your student?
Student?
Because he only sent a shadow clone to my little sister's birthday party.
Some things are beyond his control.
I'm so tired of hearing that!
Are you even able to perform the Rasengan?
Huh? The Rasengan?
Without that, you can't be a student of mine.
Hey! That'll be a piece of cake, you know? I'll go and master it right away.
Huh? What's all this about?
Please, you just gotta teach me how to do the Rasengan.
It's for the tuning exams, huh? To shock the 7th Hokage. Is that correct? Where did your enthusiasm go? Come on, just try again.
And why does it have to be a water balloon? Isn't there a better way for us to do this?
Of course it's difficult to master. I mean, it's A rank.
I did it! Come on, I'm sick and tired of hearing that. I mean, how can you see what can't be seen?
Wow, you really mean it? You can bake a cake, Big Brother?
I know I said cake, but it's gonna be pancakes. Oops.
Oh, Big Brother, that's too hard. You're good at this.
Hold on. That's it. I did it!
No way!
But the basics are...
Damn it!
Do you always have to be so strict, Dad?
And he assumed wrong. I was going to accept him as my student.
But you're lucky you ran into me, because I have just the thing. Don't you agree? Let's choose the ultimate technique that's perfect for you, young lord.
Well, so?
And you managed all that from just one day of training, huh?
Hey! So what do you say about making me your student? Damn it! Hey, Sensei, can you tell me everything you know about my dad? What I want to know is, like, what are my dad's weaknesses?
Listen, he was full of weaknesses. He was a good-for-nothing. What you need to know now isn't the current Naruto, but the Naruto who made it this far.
All right!
I'm not gonna lose to him no matter what.
What's going on, Sarada? You spying on us?
What are you talking about? I don't do that kind of thing.
We're not going to lose! To you or to Boruto!
I mean getting to battle all of you. We're not gonna lose either. I just can't wait to fight against everyone that we know. We've all worked hard to get where we are. Against Sarada's Sharingan, it's important to avoid looking into her eyes.
Is that really all you've got?
Good luck. Do your best. You're energetic this morning, Mom. Anyway, I'm out of here.
I'm thinking we're gonna come out on top at the tuning exams.
But sometimes you're not that bad.
Mitsuki!
This one's a Jinchuriki?
Yeah, that's right. I'm a Jinchuriki. I have the power of 100 men, you see?
Hey, come on. Get serious. They seem to be pretty nasty.
I shall take you.
Oh, yeah!
That guy absorbed the tailed beast bomb so easily. It's no time to be rapping.
It seems that Kaguya developed an attachment to someone on this planet and betrayed us.
That must be why the chakra she was supposed to provide us with never came.
But ultimately, she was stopped by her very own children who sealed her away.
Is that all you have? I believe the massive accumulation of chakra we seek is there.
We three swear to you that we'll win. I promise you that we will not dishonor your name, Father.
In any case, make sure to get plenty of rest on the Thunder Train.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got it. I'll make sure to visit Tamari when I arrive there.
Kara!
Wait, is that Shukaku?
My connection with the Eight Tails was suddenly cut off. Something is up. But I have a bad feeling about this.
I'm grateful, my friend.
And I want you to go around the other target to hit it.
Huh?
Don't expect an immediate answer. Just try to use your own head a little.
You will win for sure, young lord. There's no need to worry at all.
And I swear I am not gonna lose. Can't move.
I got it! Watch out, you guys! So many jutsu we've never seen!
We also scooped the pool on getting the fastest time. I'm glad I'm here to deliver the scoop.
We can't let it end here.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to tell me. So, it's 5 against 3. You know who has the edge here, right?
Who has the edge now?
I'll rejoin you soon. Now, reverse!
No way. I can't lose here.
Water style bullet! Walk off!
Yes, we're okay.
Yeah, I'm on it already. We did it! Yes!
Oh, come on! I can't stand the suspense!
About Boruto and his team, of course. They've cleared round 2.
Yes!
Hey, welcome back! Congratulations, big brother.
I'm going to my room. I'm gonna rest until dinner's ready. This thing really is amazing. As long as I have this...
I heard, you passed the second round.
Huh?
You did just great. Do not lose to Shikadai. I'll be watching.
Stupid old man. Like I'd let you. Sneaking around playing hide and seek, huh? Damn it.
No way! The second match! Shikadai Nara of the Hidden Leaf versus Yodo of the Hidden Sands! How about that? What? Even that failed? It's sound, isn't it? So, shall we call this a match? Begin!
3!
Match 4! Inojin Yamanaka of the Hidden Leaf versus Araya of the Hidden Sands!
made them with paper bombs inside. No way!
I can use lightning style to speed up those signals so that I'm more powerful, you get it?
Oops. I'm not supposed to use that.
Snakes! Why'd it have to be snakes?
Now, the final match of the first round!
You know, the way that you look down on people makes me really mad! Why? You! Human boulder!
Match 1 of the semifinals begins now!
Wing style, Gale Palm! Shadow Clone Jutsu! Hey, little Shikidai! Over here! No! Gotcha! No way!
Fine, I give up.
Why won't Genjutsu work on him? Fire style! Fireball Jutsu!
Mitsuki versus the Sand Shinki!
Wind style, breakthrough! Wind style, wind sight!
Pointless.
Striking shadow, snake burial!
I felt no resistance.
Lightning style, snake lightning!
I quit. Yes, you did. I just said I quit.
Begin!
You want to join forces?
And we'll get some payback from Mitsuki. Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Eject!
Fireball jutsu!
We're free.
You have no more chances.
Boruto!
Black Iron?
Can you do this? Purple lightning!
Lee, Boruto Uzumaki is disqualified. You're no longer a ninja either. Get behind me now. Stay put.
What the hell is going on here?
It's too dangerous. Go on. Go with the others. Get out of here.
Fire style bullet, Homura! Lightning style bullet, Ibuki!
Are you done?
He absorbed that?
They want the tailed beast chakra in you. They want Kurama.
This allows me to amplify all of the jutsu I've absorbed for a counterattack. It's meaningless!
Everyone here's my family. I won't let you do this to us.
Whoa, what is all of this? I didn't know Dad had this kind of power.
Sasuke, take care of the kids. Let's do it, Kurama! You'd better not be out of shape now!